Hey guys, how are you all? Welcome to my channel. I'm Sagrika and I'm back with some new tips and tricks for you. And today in this video, I'm gonna tell you some trendy and cool ways of wearing shawl. You know, winters are already here and we don't want to wear shawl in that boring way. It keeps on falling down and it doesn't keep your hands free. So today in this video, I'm gonna tell you some cool and stylish way of wearing shawl. So stay tuned and watch full video. So girls, my first style of wearing shawl is very simple and it will take you a few seconds. For my first style, you need to level up your stole, like both the sides should be leveled and you'll be needing one belt. So now what I'll do is, firstly I'll level up the shawl from both the sides and then I'll wear my belt and I'll wear the belt and tuck it in here and then I'll do a style like this. And you can see I'm done. So see how beautifully I wear my shawl in a very stylish way, and you can have a close look now. So girls, after style 1, let's move ahead towards style 2. And for style 2, you need to take a full stole or shawl and then you have to tie a knot like this. Like I have taken both the ends of the stole and now I'm tying a knot like this. You can see I have tied a knot. Then I'll take this end from the mid and I'll tuck it using pin, and I'm having a pin in my pocket and I'll tuck it to the knot like this, and now you can see it has become like a shrug. And now I'll wear this shrug like this. You can see it's like a very stylish and cool way. Oh my god, I hope you all suffer with this problem. I'm not getting by the other end. So it's a very stylish and cool way. I'll wear it like a shrug, like this. And this is my style 2 of wearing shawl. You can see it's looking like a beautiful jacket and it has taken like 30 seconds and it's a style 2 of wearing shawl. Have a look. Okay girls, so this was style 2 and now let's move ahead towards style 3, and the best part is style 3 comes from style 2 only. So after making the shrug, I'll take this end of my stole and I'll tuck it to my top, and for this style you'll be needing 2 safety pins. So be prepared with 2 safety pins. I have tucked this corner of my stole to the top, and now I'll take this corner of my stole and I'll tuck it here, and of course I'll fix it with safety pin again, and you can use any brooch or beautiful pin to give it more stylish way. For now I'm using safety pin only because safety pin is quite visible, so you can add on any brooch or something, and I'm ready with my style 3 as well, and you can have a look. So guys, this was my style 3, and the best part is style 4 comes from style 3. For that you need to open this corner of your shawl and you can let it free. So you can attach one corner and let the other corner free and it will become your style. So you can see this style, you know, this is my favorite style and it looks really very trendy. So now let's move ahead towards style 5, and it's a poncho style shawl. So guys, now let's move ahead towards my style 5, and for that you need to join both the ends of your shawl like this, and now it will become like this. And now you have to measure the length of your shoulder using this tool like my end point is coming here, and you have to take the part of the shawl according to measurement of your shoulder. So where the end point of your shawl is coming, you have to tuck it using a safety pin like this. And I've already tucked it up, and now I'll take it from my head like this, you can see, and now it has become a beautiful poncho style of my store. You know, who wants to buy expensive poncho from the market? Because now you can make poncho using your any shawl. You can use any trendy shimmer shawl, fur shawl, and you can make a beautiful poncho like this. So girls, have a close look towards my poncho style shawl. So now no need to buy expensive poncho from the market. Okay, so I hope you'll really like my today's video, and if you really like it, please give it a thumbs up, and for more such videos, subscribe to my channel. Nami Sagrika signing off. Bye, take care, love you all. I hope you liked my today's video, and if you like it, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.